Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Telegram into your Windows operating system for free. What you need to do, you just need to come over into your search option, and from here you just need to search for Microsoft Store. If you click on the Microsoft Store, your Microsoft Store will be open, and from here you can see into the top free apps. Here is Telegram desktop is showing. If you want to install, just simply click on install. It will be installing. You just need to come over into your search option, and then you just need to search for Telegram over here. You just need to click on this Telegram option, click on that. And from here you can get the Telegram for desktop. If you click on that, you will get an option called install. If you click on install, it will starting the installation and it will take some seconds, so keep patience. After completing the installation, you will get a notification from Microsoft Store, and if you now just click on the open button over here, your Telegram desktop will be open. You can simply come over into the search option and you can search for Telegram as well, but I will leave it to open from the open. And now what you need to do, you just need to click on the start messaging option, and so you just need to scan the QR code from your mobile Telegram app. It will open into your Windows. So this is how you can download Telegram for your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.